Hey everyone, want to learn how to use Google Analytics 4? In this video, I'll show you how to set up and understand GA4 reports step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Analytics website. Sign in with your Google account and open your GA4 property. Next, explore the GA4 dashboard to understand the main sections, including Reports ***, Explore ***, and Advertising ***. Now open the Reports *** section to view important website data. This is where you can monitor users, traffic sources, engagement, events, and conversions. Next, check the *acquisition reports to understand where your visitors come from, such as search engines, social media, direct traffic, and referral websites. Open the engagement reports to analyze how users interact with your website. You can review events, pages, screens, and user activity. Next, use the Explore section to create custom reports and analyze specific data using templates, filters, and comparisons. Review your events and conversions to understand important user actions, such as purchases, signups, downloads, or form submissions. You can also use the real-time report to monitor active visitors and confirm that your tracking setup is working correctly. Finally, review your GA4 data regularly and use these insights to improve your website, content, and marketing strategies. And that's how to use Google Analytics 4. By understanding GA4 reports and user behavior, you can make smarter decisions and improve your online performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.